Hello everybody, welcome back. We left off on the last video going over the ONEX Network website. Now let's look at the ONEX Calculator. Our dashboard calculator will sync with your wallet address. If you're using Saturn Wallet, Trust, or something similar, you must be on the Ethereum Classic Network when connected. You'll be able to check your balance, your coin age, current and yearly ONEX revenue, ONEX statistics, and see other ONEX stickers. Alright, so let's go over what this section is about. This first section shows your wallet address. The calculator will sync automatically with your wallet. This section shows ONEX proof of stake contract is set to 77%, which gives first year effective annual interest rate of 100% when we select the stake max age 90 days as a compounded period. That means if you were to have 100 ONEX in your account and you stake every 90 days the first year, you will be able to 100% double your tokens. Of course, staking more often compounds faster. This section is in correlation or tied to the sell order price of ONEX on Saturn Network exchange. This spot shows your coin age and how many days you currently have staken. This spot shows your current wallet balance that is synced with the calculator. Down below here we have a table that shows current balance of ONEX, expected yearly, quarterly, monthly, down to current one-day stake and expected revenue. This table also shows expected revenue of ONEX tied to the price of ETC and US dollar. This tab shows ONEX Network smart contract statistics. This tab shows recent stakers, which are holders of ONEX. This tab shows recent stakers that have minted new tokens recently. Now let's show how the staking function works and mint some new tokens. When we mint here, we'll be using Saturn Wallet, which is an extension that allows you to seamlessly access dApps across the Ethereum Classic blockchain. So let's click Mint Tokens. This will open up Saturn Wallet. Now we can check our transaction. Now let's refresh the page and check our new balance. As you can see, our balance has changed and we successfully minted new tokens and staking has restarted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to catch new videos on ONEX Network. If you subscribe, please check description box on how to win ONEX, and to stay tuned for our upcoming bounty campaign.